Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at the question, do I need public liability and professional indemnity insurance? This presentation is designed for Queensland driver trainers. Transport Main Roads, TMR, strongly recommends that businesses involved in providing learner driver training seek independent professional advice and obtain appropriate levels of insurance to meet their business needs. This includes professional indemnity and public liability insurance. The information contained in this tutorial is general in nature and does not take into account your personal situation. You should consider whether the information is appropriate to your needs and, where appropriate, seek professional advice from an insurance broker. In every line of work, there's always the potential for something to go wrong, and accidents do happen. If someone slips and falls on your business premises or their property is damaged whilst providing a service, they may take legal action against you or your business to recover their loss. Public liability insurance is designed for professionals who interact with customers and/or members of the public. It helps protect against claims of personal injury, death, damage to their property that a third party suffers or claims to have suffered as a result of your business operations. Essentially, public liability refers to the duty of care or responsibility a business, government, or property owner has to the general public. The following examples may lead to a public liability insurance claim: slips, trips, and falls, accidental breaks of client's property, back injuries, neck injuries, and psychological injuries. Case studies. If you're a mechanic, public liability insurance can provide protection if an employee damages the paintwork on a customer's car with a tool trolley. A customer trips over a tool on the workshop floor and fractures their wrist. Let's look at example number 2, the shop owner. After mopping the floor in your shop, a customer slips and falls. They injure themselves. A claim of this nature is likely to fall under public liability. Basically, a member of the public has suffered injury on your business premises. Claims of personal injury or property damage can be incredibly expensive. If you're not at fault, you may still incur considerable legal costs while defending a claim. Public liability insurance covers the cost of legal settlements you are liable to pay, in addition to covering your reasonable legal fees incurred to defend a claim against you. If you don't have public liability insurance, the resulting compensation payouts and legal costs can potentially cripple your business. In public liability claims, compensation is commonly claimed for past and future medical expenses, care and help provided by family, friends, or another individual, past and future loss of earnings, pain and suffering, as well as loss of quality of life. Public liability insurance is designed to help protect your business depending on the policy you take out. It covers incidents that occur in your workplace as well as incidents at other locations. There are specific driver training industry packages that are available and tailored to meet the unique requirements of the industry. Public liability claims. Public liability insurance only covers claims made by external parties, not those made by your own employees. Public liability law protects your right to safety in the community. Personal injuries may occur in a number of circumstances, including at work, in a car crash, as well as pedestrians and cyclists. In order to be successful in your public liability claim, a lawyer will have to prove that the person, company, or organization that contributed to the accident owed you a duty of care and that this duty of care was breached and you've suffered an enduring injury as a result. A duty of care is a legal obligation to take a reasonable standard of care when doing acts that could foreseeably cause harm to someone else. Duty of care is an element of the tort of negligence. Negligence is a failure to exercise the degree of care considered reasonable in the circumstances resulting in financial or other loss. Elements of negligence. The elements are that the person being sued, the defendant, owed a duty of care on the facts of the case to the injured person, the plaintiff, that the defendant breached that duty of care, and that the breach of that duty of care caused the damage, harm to the injured person, causation. Professional indemnity insurance. Professional indemnity insurance is designed for professionals who provide advice or a service to their customers. It protects you against legal costs and claims for damages to third parties which may arise out of an act, omission, or breach of professional duty in the course of your business. If a mistake or omission occurs in the course of your work that results in financial loss or injury to a third party, e.g. a customer, that customer may take legal action against you to recover their losses. Professional indemnity insurance seeks to protect both your assets and your reputation should this occur. Why do I need it? Defending yourself from a professional conduct claim can cost you time, money, and damage your reputation regardless of whether the allegations are founded or not. If things do go wrong, you could be held responsible not only for your own actions, but for those of your partners, employees, or volunteers. Accredited driving instructors who hold professional indemnity insurance do so to ensure they are protected against unfounded allegations as well as breaches of professional duty. A professional indemnity insurance policy safeguards you and your business by providing cover against such claims, including the cost of defending the action, so you can conduct your business with the confidence that both your assets and your reputation are protected. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training.